Let's demo how to put on this screen protector on the iPhone 17 Pro. This is a tempered glass screen protector. It's anti-shatter film, oleophobic coating, and it's delicate touch for the touchscreen. So it is a 3-pack. Let's see how easy it is because I've actually really never done this before myself. I'm gonna follow the directions and we'll see what happens. And by the way, there is a link to the directions on installing it, but we're gonna go ahead and just follow the directions on the instruction manual. So the first step is to use the wet wipe. So we'll go ahead and we'll open up the wet wipe. And this is to remove any dirt on the screen. The second step is to use the dry wipe. And this is to ensure all dust and liquid have been removed. Okay, so that looks good. All right, now the third thing is to take the dust absorber sticker. And we're just gonna dab the sticker side of the dust absorber to eliminate any amounts of debris on the screen. Right, so it actually looks perfect. Now we put the installation frame on our phone. There is a little, it says top right there, so we're gonna make sure that it is aligned properly. Okay. Now we're gonna take the screen protector. And it says to remove the bottom protective layer by pulling away the top rectangular tab. Without touching the sticky side of the protector, carefully align the cutouts and edges slowly and drop the screen protector on the screen. Use your finger to slide the screen protector to automatic stick. I mean, they said to use your finger, but I just used the dry wipe because I didn't want to. Let me take off, and there you have it, a perfectly applied screen protector.